This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the Precious Metal Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me right now is John Begeman from Premier Gold Mines Limited. It's a publicly traded company, PG on the TSX, and PIRGF in the U.S. John, welcome to SNN.Live.
Thank you, Robert. It's good to be here. It's a beautiful day and lots of folks attending the conference.
That is correct, and it's great to have you on. So for our audience, let's get an overview of Premier, and then we'll go from there.
All right. Well, Premier is a developer-producer in gold and the precious metal space. We're North American based, and we have a gold mine in Sonora, Mexico, called the Mercedes mine. We also have several joint ventures where we have the Hardrock mine in Geraldton, Ontario, we're nearing a production decision on that. It's a joint venture with Centerra Gold, 50-50 joint venture. We also have an interesting position in the Carlin Trend in Nevada, a joint venture with Barrick called the South Arturo Project, and that's a 60-40 joint venture with Barrick. In Nevada also, we have the Cove McCoy property, where we have the old Echo Bay mine there called the Cove property, as well as a joint venture with Barrick on that general land package as well. So we've got a lot of things on the fly. We've got some development projects. We have 2 mines being developed in Nevada with Barrick, the El Nino underground, as well as the Phase 1 open pit.
So let's get an update. So last year, this time we had you in on the program, and we're very happy to have you on to give that update. What's been going on at Premier in the last, let's say, 6 to 12 months?
A lot of things. We are continuing to de-risk the Hardrock project. That is, by and large, a very large cornerstone project for Premier, as well as we believe for Centerra. We produced in the last year a PEA on the Cove project, which was positive. We do need to do some additional drilling at the Cove project in order to bring it to feasibility level of resource update. We've done some development as well. The ongoing activities at South Arturo with the development of the El Nino underground has actually just continued after the Phase 1 pit had been completed the previous year. So things are very active, a lot of projects, a lot of irons in the fire, and we continue to look forward to the growth opportunities that Premier has.
So what would you say makes the company unique when compared to your competition out there?
Well, we have made that transition from explorer to producer. With the acquisition of the Mercedes mine, that gave us steady state production. In 2016, we acquired that mine. Prior to that, we were doing the development at South Arturo, where the Phase 2 pit began and it finished, and then we began the development of El Nino. So we were looking for the entry as a producer and continuing production. So that's where we acquired the Mercedes mine. And that was, I guess, it's not every day an explorer can turn into the steady state producer. And long term, with Cove, when Cove is able to come online, if and when the Hardrock project becomes a mine, we will be in a very good position to be, between a 400,000 and 500,000 ounce annual producer with, in large part, organic projects that we have.
And then from what you can tell me, and you've alluded to this already a little bit, but I wanted to get a full wrap here, is what are some of the company's value catalysts now for the rest of 2019 moving into 2020?
Right now I see, it's hard to measure, but immediate catalysts are, in my mind, it'll be the Hardrock construction decision, the updated economics and updated resource at Hardrock, because we see good things coming on the horizon there. Also, it's the continued development in South Arturo in Nevada. Nevada is a great real estate address to have, especially with a partner like Barrick, with a track record of operating efficiently and safely good mines. So we see that the main catalyst, I think, is the unsung project in our books has been Hardrock, primarily because of the large capital expenditure that's required to put that mine into production. In previous years where we had lower gold prices, it's been a concern to have a large ticket project to be developed. However, in today's gold market and the metrics of the mine itself, I have great expectations for Hardrock.
And John, where can our audience go and find more information about Premier Gold?
Well, certainly you can go to our website, which is premiergoldmines.com, and as well we're listed on TSX under PG, and also good firms such as SNN have some news about us that would be happy to be shared with your audience.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the Precious Metal Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me again has been John Begeman from Premier Gold Mines Limited, publicly traded company. The symbol is PG on the TSX and PIRGF in the U.S. John, thank you for joining me.
You're welcome, and thank you for having us.